Hello and welcome to Origami Challenge Level 2. Today we are going to be showing you how to make the stem and a leaf. If you saw the other video, it explained how to make a balloon. You can also make a cherry out of it. We're going to show you how to make the leaf and the stem. First you fold it in half to make a rectangle. Then you cut it in half, like this. Now we have two pieces of paper. You fold one of them in half to make a rectangle again, and you cut along the line again. These two are going to be the stem. Fold it in half to make a rectangle. Then you open it up and fold it to the center line, like this. Do it on the same on the other side. Then you fold it in half like this. Now you fold it again. Ta-da! Now you've got your stem. Now I'm going to show you how to make a leaf. First, you fold it in half to make a square. This is from the leftovers from the stem. Cut the paper in half. Then you fold it in half again. Then you fold it in half again. Now you cut it along the lines. We are only going to make 2 leaves. You can make more if you want. Fold it in half to make a triangle. Then you slightly make this one bigger than the other, like this. Then you cut it to make it look like half of a leaf. Then you make it look like a zigzag. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig. Then you open it up like this. Then you see the open part here. You open it up slowly. Make sure you don't open up this part. Ta-da! Here's your leaf. Now I going to glue the leaves on the stem. After you glue it, make sure to wait until it dries. This is how you put the stem into the cherry. You see the hole here? You put it through the hole and make sure the stem is touching the bottom of the balloon. Ta-da! I made lots and lots of cherries. You can use these to decorate your house. I hope you make these too. Bye!